Hi, my name is Evelyn Perez, and I'm here to talk about one of the most important architects of the postmodernists. His name is James Stirling. He was born in Glasgow on April 22, 1926. This renowned architect studied at Liverpool Quarry Bank Secondary School, as well as the Liverpool School of Arts and Architecture at the University of Liverpool. He later studied urban planning at the London School of Urban Planning and Regional Research. In 1956, he began his partnership with James Gowan in the City of London. Together, they designed projects that are considered some of the most important of their time. The partnership between them ended in 1963. In his early years, Stirling worked mainly with small houses or housing complexes. His architectural style at that time was very traditional but modern. However, he focused his design on a more humanistic aspect, also worrying about the connection that should exist between spaces and their relationship with the user. Also, Stirling was known as one of the first young architects to criticize the Le Corbusier-Ronchamp chapel due to its forms. However, a decade later, Stirling began to incorporate planning strategies into his style, as well as proportion systems and material palettes based on a study of neoclassical architecture. One of the most important projects for this architect was the Neue Staatsgalerie. This postmodernist structure is a work of art in itself. The gallery was constructed in 1984 and remains a revered monument whose design has simulated much discussion and debate. Blending together classicist and modernist elements, the edifice takes on an appearance that is playful monumental. In this project, he expressed his new understanding of the relevance of context and urban space by creating a formal syntax based on unexpected juxtaposition of modernist gestures, such as the Corbusian piano curve, with heavy masses of masonry and new details ornamental. The stoneware surfaces, polished with special finish, contrast with the bright blue and red railings. Another of the important works of which he was part is the Brown Industrial Plant. The architectural team won the competition to build the structural plan of a pharmaceutical manufacturer thanks to a convincing concept of the division of the architectural body. They create a complex that is prominently integrated into the landscape based on the production cycle and manufacturing processes. The administrative building, which can be seen from behind, has a curved shape that reflects the topography of the surrounding hills. It opens through two black monoliths that house the stairs and elevators. The company's computer headquarters is located in the part of the building that has a shiny green baseboard and is covered in copper flakes. The copper sheets were pre-painted in a controlled aging process to achieve color regularity. For the book Contemporary Architects in 1979, Stirling commented, "I believe that the form of a building should indicate, perhaps show, the use and way of life of its occupants, and it's therefore likely to be rich and varied in appearance, and its expression will hardly be simple." Thank you for your attention.